So, so funny. So, please watch this video and they will tell me what you learned. So, thank you. So, alright. This video is so funny. Very, very funny. So, I don't know where whether it's from state or from federal national assembly. So this is so funny. Look at what adults are doing inside house because of APC government is not doing the right thing. That is what people are calling APC names because of what they are doing to the masses. So, like I said before, APC government need to do the right thing before it's too late. Because what we people are begging the government to do the right thing, because people are suffering, people are crying every day by day. Mr. President, I respect you, sir. Please look at what happened in this country. Please listen to the masses, listen to the cry of the masses, because people are suffering. Look at what is happening in this country. Insecurity here and there, hardship everywhere. People are crying. We need to, you need to put this country in order so that people will rejoice, so that the people will smile. I've been long, I've seen masses, smile, because what happened in this country is no longer funny. Look at what happened. Go to market to buy something we eat. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. How people are suffering now is not, it's no longer funny, because people are suffering. Look at what. Go to market and buy something you say we eat. Carry 10,000 naira. You can't even buy, to cook a pot of soup. Because of how things just go down small. That is the reason why people are managing to eat now, because of the price of something, price of food go down small. So will we continue like this forever, Mr. President? Will we continue like this forever? Please, we beg you, sir. We all respect you, sir. Please, what is masses are demanding is to do the right thing, to put this country in order. What caused this agitation, caused this protest? Because of the country is not good. If the country is good, why people are protesting? Why people are disturbing the government? Because the things have not, it's not normal again. So check the past regime of PDP and APC. You see that that's a too much difference. That's a much difference. So you can't compare two of them. When Goodluck regime and Yar'Adua regime, you see that a lot of things have changed. A lot of things have changed. Even if things have damaged before you came, you don't need to, you need to put some. You need to put some in order, not than making it worse. Because I never see what APC government change in this country. So I never see anyone change, because what is happening now is I don't know whether things is not ordinary or what. Because when anybody come this seat, we change automatically. So, Mr. President, I beg you, sir, all due respect you, sir, please put this country in order before it's too late. Look at what is happening inside assembly. Look at the name the people have calling APC government, calling them One because of what happened now. So put things in order. It's not must that you finish your tenure. It's not must. It's not must you have finished your tenure. Even if you want tenure, you rule and do good, people will remember you forever. The reason why people are still talking about Goodluck Jonathan, because the man is a good man. He have a good heart. The man, I don't know. The man, he don't do things one-sided. He balance the government. He balance everything when in power. Look at what he's done in North. So people are praising him today because of what he did. The man have a good heart. Assume he say he's not someone like Goodluck. Do you think that Goodluck will accept the defeat in 2015 or what? So that is the reason why I say that it's good to be good. So we need a good change in this country. Not that every day people will say, repeating the same thing year by year, people remaining where they are. Things you need to change it, things you need to done, things you need to put, do the right thing. Mr. President, please, people are buying like chicken every day by day because of what is happening in this country. See, let me tell you, if he going to the road now, we notice that some people have talking to himself. It's not a madness. Let me tell you, the poverty have affected some people brain. The poverty have affect some people brain. So some people doesn't reason well now because of the poverty. The level of the poverty now is too much. It's very too much. So, Mr. President, please, I beg you, sir. It's not only you, people on top, governor, senator, all the House of Assembly, we need to put this country in order. Lord, and making it worse. Please, we respect you, sirs. Please, let you do the needful so that masses will rejoice once again. Please, in case you never subscribing to my YouTube channel, Honor TV, please try and subscribe. Like I told you that I have a problem on my channel, that someone hacked my account. Please follow me here, please. All my followers, please, I beg you now. All my followers, please come this and follow me again. Please don't disappoint me. Without you, all my friends, I'm nothing. Please come here and make me happy again. May God continue blessing anyone. One love.